The FLIR PackBot is about one life-saving idea: increasing the standoff distance between you and a dangerous situation. Battle-proven and subjected to extreme conditions, thousands of PackBot robots are deployed around the world with warfighters, police, and industrial personnel. PackBot deploys in a matter of minutes. Send it downrange with the tools and sensors that fit your situation. The base of PackBot's manipulator arm and flippers rotate 360 degrees, allowing it to maneuver through rough terrain, negotiate obstacles, and fit through tight spaces. Its precise movements allow for specific positioning of HazMat sensors, placement of counter charges or disruptors, and its 4 cameras allow you to inspect suspicious items in confined spaces in real time. The drive cam is a wide-angle lens, while the surveillance camera on the robot's head pans 360 degrees, tilts and zooms. To further enhance visibility, PackBot's variable intensity LEDs or optional FLIR thermal camera gives you eyes on, no matter the time of day or situation. Even when the robot is non-line of sight, positioning and visualizing PackBot is not a problem thanks to the 3D on-screen robot model. With just a few taps, command PackBot into preset poses. Two-way audio allows communication in a barricaded standoff situation.
Hey, what do you want?
Or checkpoint operations that might last hours. One of PackBot's most prominent features is its manipulator arm. It allows for inspection of overhead compartments and around corners. Its gripper lifts up to 44 pounds and remains capable of completing critical, delicate movements. PackBot is operable from the U-Point multi-robot controller, where every robot movement can be controlled from your fingertips on the Android-based tablet. When operating in challenging environments, multiple robots can work together to relay reliable communications and increase your operational range around corners, culverts, tunnels, and at the crest of hills. If your job calls for you to render safe hazardous devices, you can integrate disruptors and perform the job remotely. Equipped with optional chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear sensors, PackBot will identify dangerous hazardous materials from a safer distance. Placing greater standoff distance between you, your team, and the dangerous situations you face can save time, save money, and most importantly, save lives. PackBot is already doing this for thousands of operators around the world. Let PackBot work for you.